Wow, it's nice. The sunlight, sunset loves sunlight. Matcha. Our last
Gong.
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 No, okel-okel.
Gong.
Okel-okel.
Oh, ding dong.
Okel-okel. Nagimas ka kapsat.
Ding dong.
Loves, say it na imas. Meaning yam.
Imas.
It says here, I know how to read the Japan.
Oh, yeah.
It says here, ato iti pinakaimas nga chocolate nga dati mani-mani popcorn na. Nakaimas daytoy, isurama na nyo. Oray kayla umuttog no ka kung ano na yan binasak. Ha? Makapaultog nga
Matcha
chocolate ko na.
Matcha covered almond.
Himas. Kaya ta. There's more? Banana. What Kayla said? Combination of I don't like and I like. She like matcha, but she don't like the peanut.
The almond.
Almond. Why where's the letter L? Almond.
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 Yeah. ALMOND.
Oh. You forgot the letter L. Almond.
No. Ow. All.
Almond. You said almond.
Almond.
Your pronunciation is wrong. Almond.
Yeah. Shit.
Makapautog. Right, lados makapautog this candy.
Huh?
Makapautog.
What?
Makapautog. Say it.
What?
Makapautog.
You're saying it too fast.
Maka.
Maka.
Pa.
Pa.
Makapa.
Makapa.
Utog.
No.
Utog.
Utog.
Makapautog.
Makaupun.
Makapautog. Maka.
I want to put my utog on the chin.
Kidding now. Not that.
Huh?
You know what is makapautog?
Utog right there.
No, you don't know what is utog.
It's utog. Oh.
Maka.
Maka.
Pa.
Pa.
Utog.
Utog.
Makapautog.
Makabuutog.
There you go. Oh, it's my there. No, what is it?
Utog.
Okay.
It is utog.
Secret.
It's not what you told me it was.